games. Yeah, but let's play something else now. Like this one. Yeah. Let's become Jeffrey. Why is Jeffrey here? But I got realized not as cool as Jeffrey, but not the real Jeff. Uh, I'm glitched in the city map. Why am I glitched into the city map? Okay, I don't see it. Now let's go to the TVs. Yeah, but now we are gonna have to become Jeffy. Yeah. This is Jeffy, but he can transform. Did you know? Jeffy can transform, and this is what he looks like. There, now it's loaded in. Now transform, and we are Titan Jeffrey. Jeffrey is so cool. Look at this, look at this. He can stand up. It's like this. I should have. But this Jeffrey is kind of. Just don't like this one. Just become. Just try and become this. This is way cooler.